This afternoon, President-elect Donald Trump is still building his cabinet. Right now, we are learning about growing concerns following Trump's pick of Attorney General as Representative Matt Gaetz. NBC's Laura Jarrett has more.
This morning, questions swirling over whether Republican Congressman Matt Gaetz, one of Capitol Hill's most vocal critics of the Justice Department, can get confirmed to lead it.
I don't think it's a serious nomination for the Attorney General.
Praised by the president-elect as a deeply gifted and tenacious attorney, writing Gaetz will, quote, root out the systemic corruption at the DOJ, a department Mr. Trump has long railed against as he's faced multiple criminal investigations, even musing at one point that prosecutors should be thrown in jail, and saying this when asked if he would use the justice system to go after perceived political enemies.
Look, when this election is over, based on what they've done, I would have every right to go after them.
Gaetz often serving as an attack dog for Mr. Trump.
The lawfare we've seen against President Trump will do great damage well beyond our time in public service.
We either get this government back on our side or we defund and get rid of, abolish the FBI, CDC, ATF, DOJ, every last one of them, if they do not come to heel.
And saying this back in 2020.
Maybe I should serve as Attorney General of the United States. If necessary, I'd fire every little kicker at the J. Edgar Hoover building.
Within the DOJ, reaction to the nomination scathing. Multiple current and former senior officials left speechless, calling it insane, unbelievable, and one saying he is the least qualified person ever nominated for a position in the Department of Justice. Some officials raising concerns about the would-be top lawyer for the country having been the subject of a years-long federal investigation for alleged sex trafficking of a 17-year-old girl. The prosecutors ultimately closed the case without charges, and Gaetz consistently maintained his innocence.
I have not had a relationship with a 17-year-old. That is totally false.
A bipartisan investigation into his conduct by the House Ethics Committee had been ongoing, though Gaetz' speedy resignation from Congress yesterday means that investigation comes to an immediate halt. Gaetz frequently clashing with members of his own party, leading a successful charge to oust House Speaker Kevin McCarthy.
I would hope there wouldn't be another Matt Gaetz in the Republican Party. At the end of the day, he probably shouldn't be on the streets.
NBC's Laura Jarrett there reporting.